Okay, so last week I was at a coffee shop and I heard someone say, I want to dead my phone. Dead their phone? And I was like, wait, what? They meant charge. They wanted to charge their phone. Have you ever said something in English that made people look at you like you were speaking alien language? Yeah, me too. It happens to all of us. But here's the good news. Today, we're giving you 50 sentences that will make you sound natural, confident, and totally fluent. No more awkward pauses, no more, wait, how do I say this? Let's fix that right now.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. You're too kind, Max.
It's true, and today we have something super special for you. We're teaching you 50 English sentences that will boost your confidence. These aren't boring textbook sentences. These are real sentences that native speakers use every single day.
Exactly. And by the end of this lesson, you'll sound more natural, more relaxed, and way more confident when you speak English. Whether you're talking to friends, ordering food, or chatting with coworkers, these sentences will help you.
So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's jump right in. Ready, Lily?
Let's do this.
All right, let's start with the basics. Greetings. Now, everyone knows hello and how are you, but we want to teach you sentences that sound more natural and friendly.
Right. So instead of just saying hello, try these. Sentence number 1, hey, how's it going? Super casual, super friendly.
Perfect for friends or people you know. Sentence number 2, what's up? Even more casual. You can use this with close friends.
But be careful. Don't say, what's up, in a formal situation, like a job interview. That would be weird.
Yeah, save that one for your buddies. Sentence number 3, how have you been? This one is great when you haven't seen someone in a while.
It shows you care. It's warmer than just, how are you? Now, let's talk about responses. When someone asks, how are you? Don't just say, I'm fine. That's boring.
Exactly. Try these instead. Sentence number 4, I'm doing great, thanks. Positive and friendly.
Sentence number 5, not too bad. How about you? This one is super common. Native speakers say this all the time.
And here's a fun one. Sentence number 6, can't complain. It means everything is okay. It's a relaxed, casual way to answer.
Okay, listeners, pause for a second. Try saying that out loud. Can't complain. Say it with a smile. How does it feel?
Good, right? Now let's move on to small talk. Small talk is those little conversations you have with people, like when you're waiting in line or riding an elevator.
Sentence number 7, nice weather we're having. Classic small talk, safe and friendly.
Sentence number 8, have any plans for the weekend? Great question to ask coworkers or classmates.
And sentence number 9, I love your shoes. Where did you get them? This is a compliment. People love compliments.
Yes, compliments are a great way to start conversations. Just be genuine, don't fake it.
All right, now let's talk about making requests. This is super important because you want to sound polite, not demanding.
Right, so instead of saying, give me water, try sentence number 10, can I have some water, please? Much more polite.
Sentence number 11, could you mind helping me with this? This is a gentle way to ask for help.
And sentence number 12, do you have a minute? Use this before you ask someone for something. It's respectful of their time.
Love that one. Now, what if someone does something nice for you? You need to say thank you, but don't just say thanks. Let's give them better options.
Sentence number 13, I really appreciate it. This sounds more heartfelt.
Sentence number 14, thanks a ton. Casual and friendly.
And sentence number 15, you're a lifesaver. This one is fun. Use it when someone helps you a lot.
I use that one all the time. Okay, now what if you need to say no? That can be tricky, right?
Definitely. You don't want to sound rude, so try sentence number 16, I'm sorry, I can't right now. Simple and polite.
Sentence number 17, I'd love to, but I have other plans. This shows you care, but you're busy.
And sentence number 18, maybe another time? This keeps the door open for future plans.
Okay, hold on a second. We need to talk about a huge mistake that learners make. Are you ready for this? Oh no, what is it? A lot of learners say no problem when someone says thank you, and that's fine. But native speakers also say sentence number 19, you're welcome, or sentence number 20, anytime. These sound more natural and warm.
Yes, no problem is okay, but mixing it up makes you sound more fluent. So practice those. Say them out loud right now. You're welcome. Anytime.
There you go. Now let's keep going. We're just getting started.
All right, let's talk about opinions. How do you share what you think in English?
Sentence number 21, in my opinion, this is a classic way to start.
But if you want to sound more casual, try sentence number 22, I think, or sentence number 23, I feel like. Both are super common.
And if you're not sure about something, use sentence number 24. I'm not sure, but I think. This shows you're being thoughtful.
Great point. Now, what if you agree with someone? Don't just say yes. Try sentence number 25, I totally agree. Much more enthusiastic.
Or sentence number 26, exactly. Short and powerful.
And sentence number 27, you're absolutely right. This one is a bit more formal, but still friendly.
Now, what if you disagree? You don't want to be rude, right? So try sentence number 28. I see what you mean, but this acknowledges their opinion first.
Smart. Or sentence number 29, I'm not sure I agree. Polite and clear.
And sentence number 30, that's one way to look at it. This keeps the conversation respectful.
Perfect. Now let's talk about feelings. How do you express how you feel?
Sentence number 31, I'm so excited. Use this when something good is happening.
Sentence number 32, I'm a bit nervous, honest, and relatable.
And sentence number 33, I'm really proud of you. This one is beautiful. Use it to encourage people.
Love that. And sentence number 34, I'm feeling a bit down today. It's okay to be honest about your feelings.
Yes, honesty is important. People appreciate it.
Now let's talk about real-life situations. Imagine you're at a restaurant. What do you say?
Sentence number 35, can I see the menu, please? Simple and polite.
Sentence number 36, I'll have the chicken, please. Clear and direct.
And sentence number 37, can I get the check, please? Use this when you're ready to pay.
Perfect. Now imagine you're shopping. Sentence number 38, how much does this cost? Super useful.
Sentence number 39, do you have this in a different size? Great for clothing stores.
And sentence number 40, I'm just looking, thanks. Use this when a salesperson asks if you need help, but you don't.
Yeah, sometimes you just want to browse in peace.
Exactly. Now let's talk about directions. Sentence number 41, excuse me, where's the bathroom? Always good to know.
Sentence number 42, how do I get to the train station? Essential for travelers.
And sentence number 43, is it far from here? This helps you know if you can walk or need transportation.
Okay, listeners, it's time for a quick challenge. We're going to give you a situation and you need to choose the best sentence. Ready?
Situation 1. You're at a cafe and you want to order a coffee. What do you say? A. Give me coffee. B. Could I have a coffee, please? Or C. Coffee now.
Hopefully you said B. Could I have a coffee, please? That's polite and natural.
Good job. Situation 2. Your friend helps you carry heavy bags. What do you say? A. Thanks. B. You're a lifesaver. Or C. Okay.
The best answer is B. You're a lifesaver. It's warm and shows real appreciation.
Nice. Okay, last one. Situation 3. Someone asks your opinion about a movie. You didn't like it, but you want to be polite. What do you say? A. That movie was terrible. B. I didn't really enjoy it. Or C. It was the worst thing ever.
Definitely B. I didn't really enjoy it. Polite and honest.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of this.
All right, let's finish strong with some sentences that encourage and motivate people. These are so important.
Sentence number 44, you can do this. Simple, but powerful.
Sentence number 45, don't give up. Great for when someone is struggling.
And sentence number 46, keep going, you're doing great. This one always makes people smile.
Sentence number 47, I believe in you. So heartfelt and meaningful.
And sentence number 48, you've got this. Super common among native speakers.
Now, let's talk about being kind to yourself. Sentence number 49, I'm doing my best. Remember, that's enough.
And finally, sentence number 50, I'm proud of how far I've come. Celebrate your progress.
Yes, these last sentences are about self-love and confidence. Don't forget to encourage yourself, too.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's quickly review the most important points.
First, use natural greetings like, how's it going? And can't complain to sound more fluent.
Second, always be polite when making requests. Say, could I have, instead of give me.
Third, express your opinions clearly but respectfully. Use phrases like, I think, or I see what you mean, but...
Fourth, practice real-life situations like ordering food, shopping, and asking for directions. These sentences will help you every day.
And fifth, encourage yourself and others. Words like, you can do this, and I'm proud of you, make a huge difference.
Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you use these sentences, the more natural they'll feel.
All right, my friends, we've given you 50 amazing sentences today. But here's the thing, learning them isn't enough. You have to use them.
Exactly. So here's your homework. Pick 3 sentences from today's lesson and use them this week. Say them out loud. Use them in conversations. Practice, practice, practice.
And here's a bonus tip. Stay till the end here. Write down these sentences in a notebook. Review them every day. Repetition is the secret to fluency.
Yes, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Every time you try, you're getting better.
So tell us in the comments, which sentence will you use today? We want to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who's learning English.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to sound like a native speaker in everyday conversations. You won't want to miss it.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember,
you're doing amazing. We're so proud of you.
see you next time.
Bye.